Hola, I used to underestimate its effectiveness. It was difficult to be efficient with my studies. Now, since I use it, I feel confident and I don't waste my time. It has changed my life. The best tips are often simple tips. At the end of this video, I'll tell you how to study well and fast, and how to use your phone less during study time. The Pomodoro technique is a method where you study with a timer and relaxing music for 25 minutes, followed by a 5 minutes break. Shorter breaks but more efficient learning, and more restful breaks too. And with a timer, you can see if you're wasting your time and how it's fast to waste your time. You study more, waste less time, and memorize better because you can do anything else except study and you don't see the time passing. So if you like this method and want more tips, watch this playlist with other study methods. Ciao!